just getting tossed around right now.
4 Kilo Lima, roger.
I'm going to go down to the end too, right, to drop you off? And
no, we're going to Juliet if you can, but
okay.
If you need to go all the way to the end, go all the way to the end. There you go. That's what I like to see. Alright, start easing on the brakes. Start easing on the brakes. There you go. Just so we don't have to slam them once we get to Juliet.
Traffic not available.
We're 4 Foxtrot Golf, got a ground on 1-2. We're actually going to taxi back.
I would like to drop instructor off here for student solo if we can, 4 Foxtrot Golf.
Checking 4 Foxtrot Golf, instructor drop off, then let me know when you're ready to continue taxi.
Roger that, we'll let you know when I'm ready to continue taxi, 444 Foxtrot Golf.
Alright, I'm going to take a quick picture of this so I know exactly how long you went solo. Do you want me to take your phone to take pictures or like videos of you, or I have 10% battery, I can take a couple.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'd rather have it just in case.
Airspeeds, wake turbulence, be mindful of it. Jet blast, all that good stuff.
I'm doing 3 of these, and then I'll meet you here.
Yeah, I'll be right over here. 3 full stop taxi back, so you're going full stop taxi back. That's it. Yeah.
Cool.
Good luck, man.
Thanks, man.
All right.
Good. Okay. All right. Let's go solo an airplane for the first time. Conway Tower, Archer 444, Foxtrot Golf, ready to taxi back.
Archer 4 Foxtrot Golf, runway 20 left taxi via Charlie Kilo.
Charlie Kilo 20 left 444, Foxtrot Golf. Okay. You can do this, Bill. This is a piece of cake.
Four Kilo Lima, radar service terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved.
Nothing.
Frequency change approved, 4 Kilo Lima.
Go to left tank, actually. Oh my God, my palms are sweating.
Delta 2089, John Wayne Tower at Lima, cross runway 20 left, hold short, runway 20 right. Helicopter 34 Lima, once you reach the shoreline, what are your intentions?
Okay guys, here we go.
Helicopter 34 Lima, radar services terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Turkey 4 Foxtrot Golf, Koshway terminus departed 737, left coast traffic is approved, runway 20 left at Kilo, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 20 left at Kilo, 444 Foxtrot Golf. Okay, we got gas, we got all the lights on. Transponder is automatic. Tony is standing by the ramp.
And the 32 November, runway 20
Final is
right,
clear. Wind straight down the runway.
Southwest 3477, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles northwestbound of Banner Trail at 1000, contact SoCal departure.
Power on, center line. Everything's in the green, airspeed is alive. There's 55, and rotate. Nose down, let the airspeed build a little bit. There is VY. Holy ever-loving crap, I am flying an airplane by myself. Keep VY going. Man, this thing feels like it's super light. Holy hell. ASBY a little bit more. Man, this thing does climb like crazy. There's 450, almost. Everything looks good.
Delta 29, traffic turning a 7-mile funnel, say Twin Commander, runway 20 right, line up wait.
Okay, so we're coming up on 850.
Take 4 Foxtrot Golf, caution way Thomas, Airbus will depart the parallel, runway 20 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option, 20 left, 444 Foxtrot Golf. Okay,
Decrease November, stay parking.
Hi, we got the traffic in sight.
Decrease November, turn right at hotel.
Yeah, we're going way faster than normal.
Commander 695 Mike John Wayne Tower, runway 20 right, continue, traffic holding
in the white arc. I beam the numbers now. First notch of flaps coming in. Aim toward the left hangar. Get to 85 knots.
Delta 20 to 9, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff.
Just the nose here, pull the power down. There's 85. Do a little bit better descent than that.
Commander 5 Mike, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles down from the parallel to Cherokee, runway 20 right, clear to land.
Okay, so let's go second notch of flaps in here. There is the MacArthur curve. Let's get it down to 75. Got some wake turbulence. There's a bird. That guy got really close. And Joey Tower, we got a pretty big eagle a little bit southeast of MacArthur.
Roger, thanks for that.
Okay, and get in the final notch of flaps here. A little fast. So, power is idle right now. A little high, which is fine for that wake turbulence.
Delta 2089, contact still get departure.
Power 65. Yeah, we're on the glide slope right there, 1700 RPM. Full flaps, everything's in the green, everything's happy. Looking good. Looking good. Power coming back down. Dipping a little bit there. Should be fine.
Delta 5711, John Wayne Tower, Lima cross, runway 20 left, full short, runway 20 right.
Let it come back, let it come back.
Turn 408, Golf Hotel, John Wayne Tower, runway 20 right at Kilo, line up and wait.
Traffic not available.
Was the first one.
4 Foxtrot Golf, runway 20 left, taxi via Charlie Kilo.
Charlie Kilo 20 left, 444 Foxtrot Golf.
Commander 5 Mike, where do you park? Commander 5 Mike, turn left at Echo, contact ground 120.8. Center tow 6 Alpha Papa, radar services terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Well, that just happened. Holy crap. Landing number 1 down. Oh my god. Flying is really fun.